Hello, Rocco here from Airpost Coffee House. I've been in the coffee business for over 20 years. I was one of the first to get to test the M3 Barista at Ducati. And today, I get to introduce it to you. We're going to answer 3 important questions. Why does it cost more than a regular Nespresso machine? What can it actually do? Is it currently the best capsule coffee machine on the market? Or is it even a real alternative to portafilter machines or fully automatic coffee makers? Let's take a look at the exterior. The M3 is a bit larger than a classic Nespresso machine, but you can still place it easily in an office or a kitchen. At 37 centimeters, it falls within the range of small to medium-sized portafilter or fully automatic machines. Weighing in at 13 kilograms, it's heavier than a typical capsule machine, but thanks to the sturdy stainless steel housing, it's still easy to carry. Why is it so heavy? Unlike other Nespresso machines, this one completely does away with plastic. Every part of the machine feels solid and high quality, with a lot of attention to detail. We've never seen anything like this on another Nespresso machine before. In my opinion, the retro design is absolutely fantastic. The rotary knobs are clearly labeled and feel incredibly high quality. Every turn is also supported by instant feedback and a display notification. The workmanship is truly first class, and the overall look and feel are impressive as well. You usually only find this kind of quality in luxury cars or high-end stereo systems from the good old days. The trend of putting everything into a touch menu and having to navigate through various menu structures is increasingly being criticized in the automotive world as well. And customers are once again wishing for real buttons and knobs. That's why the Cuisine Barista has deliberately chosen this approach and equipped all the essential settings here with rotary knobs and buttons. I have to say, you can find your way around here very quickly, and it's also fun to play around with these settings here. Even the backside. It really makes an impression and features indirect lighting, which you can set in countless colors via the menu to perfectly integrate it into your surroundings. The machine is clearly structured. Coffee on the right, milk on the left. Here you select Ristretto, Espresso, Lungo, Americano, tea, hot water, clean and Descal. The name Barista M3 at Ducati is no coincidence. It is the first Nespresso capsule machine that offers a true barista feeling. And that's exactly what we're going to take a closer look at now. I'm setting up an espresso. The temperature is set to 93 degrees. The size, medium. Extraction, standard. Just press start and you're done. So far, so good. Very easy to use. But if you want to experiment, and it's well known that, for example, temperature has a huge impact on the result, you can also try out 91 or 94 degrees. This way, you can experiment to find which brewing temperature suits you best or fine-tune the taste experience even further. Let's just see how well that works. Espresso, 94 degrees. Let's go. The display shows how quickly the machine heats up, and it does so at an impressive speed. This is made possible by specially developed hardware and software that measures and corrects the temperature 50 times per second. Thick film heaters are generally considered very fast, but not very temperature stable. The M3 solves this problem impressively. The result: very precise temperature control and a pleasant quiet operation at about 55 decibels. So it's really noticeably quieter than conventional machines. If you want a different recipe now, you can set your favorite drink here to match your taste. Now we come to the point where we get to play barista for a moment. We set the dial. Ristretto set to 94 degrees. The display visualizes every change immediately. Super intuitive, and at the very bottom, there's the rotary knob for extraction. We haven't seen that before on espresso machines. Here, various blooming profiles are stored, where the flavor intensity can be further influenced by temperature curves and flow rates. The strong program even has a pre-infusion. Hot water moistens the capsule before the actual extraction. And the whole thing is very simple, designed for the user. I'd say just try out which program tastes best to you and how you like your coffee the most. Want it? And that's exactly what I'm going to try now. Ristretto 94 degrees, size 17 milliliters, extraction strong. Yes, I have to honestly say it's of portafilter quality. Anyone who isn't really familiar with the portafilter and doesn't have much experience with it will first have to see if they can achieve the desired result. The whole process took just 30 seconds. Here, the Cuisine Barista truly achieves its maximum potential. It offers an individual taste experience for every man and features a variety of new products in the segment. Espresso capsules. The machine always saves the last recipe for each drink. If your espresso, i.e. 94 degrees Celsius, had a 25 milliliter standard extraction, that will remain saved until you make something new. The Cuisine Barista engineers also did an excellent job of solving the issues of the water tank, residual water tray, and capsule collection container. Space for over 20 capsules and enough room for the residual water. Why is it necessary? Why does the Barista M3 at Ducati actually have such a large residual water tray? Here too, it plays in a league of its own. It is equipped with 4 solenoid valves that always ensure fresh water in the lines. This ensures that the hot water goes directly from the water tank into the capsule. And it doesn't get mixed with older water or, in some cases, cold water in the lines. A solenoid valve ensures that, for an Americano or tea, the water doesn't run through the same nozzle as it does for coffee. In other words, the brew group has a 2-nozzle outlet system. The water tank holds 1.4 liters, which is a good size, and having more would not really make sense, since you should actually change the water in the tank daily anyway. If the water level gets low, this is stylishly indicated with a red light. It's also possible to install a water filter, and one is already included in the package. The drip tray and capsule drawer can be pulled out very easily here. And inside there's an extra water separator where you can empty the 2 containers separately. By the way, both are also dishwasher safe. This swivel arm is also a very nice solution, feels extremely high quality, and is also made of solid stainless steel. By simply turning it away, you make room for larger cups. And for smaller cups, it's recommended to turn the arm back into this position. The steam wand of the Barista M3 is a real highlight, because it delivers milk performance at a level you usually only find with portafilter machines. And yet it's still super easy to use. But truly unique worldwide is the 2 GO cup milk frother. In addition to the steam wand, the Barista M3 has another highlight on board: the integrated milk frother. With it, you can easily prepare hot or cold, silky or dense milk foam directly in the included cup. The frothing system sits on top of the machine. A small whisk is attached to the lid, which is guided by a central axis. Simple, safe, and very efficient. Important, only use the original to-go cup as it is perfectly matched to the system. On the left side of the machine, you'll find all the options for your preferred milk foam. Let's go through them first. Liquid foam. Here you get smooth pourable milk foam at about 55 degrees. Dense foam. This program delivers thick, stable microfoam at around 55 degrees Celsius. Cold foam. The milk is not heated here. You get cool, airy milk foam at about 20 degrees Celsius. Perfect for iced coffee, cold brew, or fabricating. This is how we prepare it. 1. Remove the lid from the to-go cup. 2. Pour the desired amount of milk into the cup between the minimum and maximum marks. Whitens. Close the lid again and make sure that the whisk is correctly seated on the axis. 4th, the cup. Place it in the designated slot of the machine. 5th, use the dial to select the desired program. 6th, use the start button. Activate the frothing process. 7th, the machine works automatically. Just wait until the process is finished. 8th, let the cup sit briefly before removing it. 9th, remove the lid along with the whisk. And now the milk foam is ready. 10th, pour the espresso into the to-go cup and enjoy. Or spoon the milk foam into the cup and pour an espresso on top. 11th, cleaning is easy too. Just put the to-go cup and the frother straight into the dishwasher, or rinse them under cold water. If you love the speed and simplicity of espresso, this is a real recommendation. With a bit of fine-tuning, you can achieve results that come surprisingly close to a 70s machine.